Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a neat tutorial for you on how to send a link in Monopoly Go. Don't worry if your device is different from mine, the steps are the same across the board, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up our Monopoly Go app on our respective devices. Once you're in the app, look for the friends icon, which should be located at the bottom right part of your screen right over here. Next, tap on the green part that says Invite. It's pretty easy to spot. After you tap on Invite, you'll see the first Invite button. It's orange, so you can't miss it. Tap on that. Now, as you can see on my screen, a link appears. All you have to do is simply copy this link. Once copied, you can paste it wherever you like to send it to your friends. And voila! That's how you send a link in Monopoly Go. That wraps up this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.